Most people only think about their tax situation when they're preparing their taxes. And when that happens, you miss out on opportunities. So tax strategy is really something that should be done throughout the year. The sooner you can start, the more opportunities you will have. My number one tip for year-round tax planning is to max out your company retirement plan. I know this sounds too simple to be the number one strategy, but if you run the numbers, you will see that you probably save anywhere between 22 to 24% by simply maxing out your retirement plan. My second tax tip would be contribute to an HSA. HSAs are health savings accounts, and what that means is you can put money inside of a savings account for medical expenses. They're actually considered to be a triple tax whammy, if you will. So when you make those contributions, they are tax deductible, the fund grows tax deferred, and when you pull that money out for those qualified medical expenses, it's tax free. Now, if you are making the contributions through your employer, which I would highly suggest you do, if you are able, then you also get to escape paying Social Security and Medicare tax, which is an additional 7.5% savings. My third tax tip for year-round planning would be take advantage of your employer benefits. A lot of times we start a new job, we receive the employee handbook, and we don't really ever look at it. There are two that I want you to keep your eye out for. The first are dependent care benefits. The second is an educational assistance program. They're not required, but they can and have the opportunity to make student loan payments a part of that education assistance program. My fourth tax tip would be contribute to a 529 plan. I've had several clients over the past couple years say, I don't really think my child is going to go to college, and I don't want to place the money in that vehicle if they're not going to. Well, there's good news to that. The IRS is allowing 529 plans to be rolled into a Roth. So if your child doesn't go to college, they've got a head start on their retirement account. Here at Accountabilities, we know how confusing and stressful and overwhelming all of this can be. The sooner we can create those tax strategies for you, the more money you save, the more time you get back, and less stress. That's why we've made it our mission to unravel it all. We are taking you from confusion to clarity.